Cryptocurrency is a digital form of money that does not rely on banks to verify transactions. Let's look at how it works. At the heart of crypto is the blockchain, a digital ledger that records every transaction across a network of computers. Unlike traditional markets that close, crypto networks operate around the clock, allowing users to send value anywhere in the world instantly. It relies on decentralized networks and advanced math to keep data secure, giving users direct control over their own digital wallets. While traditional money is issued by governments, crypto is built on code, leading to very different rules and risk profiles. Over the last decade, we have seen a significant increase in the number of people using digital assets worldwide. Because this space is still evolving, experts emphasize caution and the importance of understanding the risks before participating. Cryptocurrency is a complex, changing field. If you found this helpful, subscribe for more basics, educational content, not financial advice.